Welcome to the demo for features that enhance your user access in student financial aid within Oracle Student Cloud. Within these features, we have enhanced the guest user access to now clearly display if a user is logged in and which student account they are viewing. We've also enabled a parent's ability to log in one time and toggle between multiple students if they have been granted parent access to more than one student. Schools can now assign a new permission to users that will allow global logout or the ability for users to sign out of all active sessions. This demo shows you how enhanced user access features can improve your business. We'll start by viewing a parent that is logged in and has had two students grant them the ability to load parent documents. As you can see, we've updated the welcome banner to display the parent's first name and the student they are logged in for. I will also show you what this looks like when an administrator is logged in a little later. As the parent is logged in with multiple students, clicking on the student's name in the upper right-hand corner still pulls down a drop-down that will allow you to see your settings and your logout. However, you now have the ability to toggle between two students. When setting up your IDP to opt into this new feature, you'll need to send the student ID attribute as a string array using the comma-separated format. It is also important to note that the login landing page will default to the last student the parent was viewing when they logged out, so they'll need to pay attention and toggle to the correct student after logging back in. Here I am logged in as an administrator reviewing the student's file. You can see the welcome banner now displays my name on behalf of the student. Now I want to shift our focus to the new global logout feature in both the student portal and the admin UI. By navigating to the portal settings as an admin logged in, I'd like to point your attention to the permissions. Scrolling all the way to the bottom, we see there is a log out globally permission. When this permission is assigned to a role, that user will be logged out of all active sessions from the IDP. When a user navigates to the sign out, the text on the sign out has not changed. However, the functionality will be updated based on the permission to either end all of their active sessions or continue to log out locally only if the permission is not added to the user. This will be defaulted to not selected for all roles after the release and will need to be opted in. Here I am logged into the admin UI as an administrator. When I navigate to the roles management page and scroll down to the bottom, we now have an enable global logout permission. Just as the portal, this will be delivered as disabled and will require you to add this to any role you would like to enforce a global logout policy. The logout text will remain the same, but a user assigned the new permission will now be logged out globally from the IDP.